coach ka Kynnoh Rangialehkai Phutbol jongkari India Manuel Marquez Roka ula penpau ka jingbom sngotanat ya kerukom Rangialehkai ka Kynnoh Persha ya ka Kynnoh jongkari Bangladesh haga janmit ka arpusan trik ulber arajar arpusan haga jingya khun banyak ni rung shaka limpung AFC Asian Cup arajar arpunyo ka banlong ha Saudi Arabia ka result nega jingya khun happening ke India but ka Bangladesh ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo Shillong kalalong nega jingya Ïakhaid klem da don bat hep goal but ki hap ban shu hun da ka ba khur marshi pon ha ka group C ba don lang ka Kynnoh na Singapore but Hong Kong hamadan Rangialehkai ha ka janmit la sakhi ka jingwan toj upat ba uba ya ka kam Rangialehkai Phutbol ha Shillong ba na keleng ke jela harengkat ke jing kemilenti ba ka Kynnoh na India kan la ban penlem ya ka Kynnoh na Bangladesh upat ba ubadairu ureu Phutbol ulawan syagani kamadan ban sakhi dalaki jongki khmat iki Rangialehkai kumusunil chatri Rangialehkai syakmat jongkari India lem ya Hamza Dewan Chaudhry Rangialehkai pedeng jongkari Bangladesh ubalami khmat jika Kynnoh Leicester City hari England kumjuru na ke Sheffield United haba keren jikilat pathai khubor hadin ke Rangialehkai coach jongka Kynnoh India Maria sedang ulaong baki Rangialehkai kim shim Rangialehkai baha bat penpau ba kwa ban jubab AA halor kidau.
Nothing to say. We were very lucky don't concede one goal in the first half, especially second half better, but very poor, very poor performance of the Indian team.
As coach said, we start very bad. I also agree that we are lucky not to concede a goal, and we are lucky to get the draw. We could have done so much better.
If you ask me, maybe today is the most difficult press conference in my career because I don't want to say all the things that are in my head in this moment. Then we played a bad game, and that's all. You can ask me, but my answer will be always the same. I know that the game started with one pass back, and the goalkeeper passed the ball to the striker, and the striker, without goalkeeper, he sent the ball out. Then this is nothing about experience or not experience. This is how you enter in the game. In this case, was the goalkeeper, but practically was every single player. And I don't want to say this or that because obviously some players, as usual, no? Some players are better and other players was not their day. But I don't have nothing to say too much. No? It's a bad game. We got 1 point. Maybe this is the best thing because it's true that in the second half we tried, but not enough in my opinion. It is easy because to speak about everyone will say excuses, blah blah. A lot of very important players, starters that they are not here. All of them injured, and but this is not an excuse. First is a reality, but second, we need to improve always. Even playing good football, you need to improve always in all the areas, in defense, in attack, in transitions, in set pieces, everything. I think today was not our day, and I think that the other game was also new. Then we will start again in the second round of the teams. Nothing to say to the coaches; they can put the players that they want. No, even I play with a foreign striker also. Then. That's all it's about. When you are disappointed, you are disappointed. But if you ask me, I expected this performance. Why we didn't concede a goal? Because in some actions we were very lucky because we made big mistakes, and in another actions our goalkeeper made 2 good saves, and that's all. Because I think even we didn't defend good.
Hashwa kani u coach ka Kynnoh nari Bangladesh u Javier Fernandez Cabrera ula penpau ka Kynnoh kala do yaki kabu ki babun ban tep goal Henry kum ka Kynnoh kan treshtam ban job haki Rangialehkai ki ban wan persha ye ka Singapore bat ka Hong Kong.
With two very well organized teams, I think that have made the things very difficult for the rival to especially very well organized in defense. But even though I think we should have finalized, if we finalized any of the chances we got in the first half, we could have won the game. So it is a good point, obviously, because we get a point away against the top one team of the group. But we also believe that we could have lived perfectly from here today with the points. Now again, I think even more in the first half, we missed two chances that they saved under the crossbar. The first one in the first second, almost 10 seconds, was just, I think we were not even prepared for that. And then there's another one that really shoots and I think it's a defender under the crossbar. And so in the second half, I think it was more tight and India had also some good chances, including that one that we had. But I think we should have finished the game in the first half. First of all, is to say that it's more than his quality as a player, is his quality as a teammate and as a person, is what gives so much confidence in the rest of the team that everyone becomes much better with him around. And that is what has happened. Thanks to him, regardless not only about his capacity to recover balls and his capacity to make good passes, not losing easy balls, is the mentality that he instills in the rest of the team. And the confidence of the team is huge. And we have never felt in any second worse than India, or even we have felt that we could have won the game. So that is really something that, from me, from outside, being the first game of Hamza, is something that is a huge change. Well, unfortunately, I mean, we missed the chances. We should have scored. There's a thing to improve, definitely. We got several chances. I don't know right now how many in total, but I think 4, 5, 6 clear ones. And, well, unfortunately, I think we have to be very positive with getting those chances away against India, which is the strongest team of the group. But we need to convert, because what is clear today is that we are a contender to qualify for Asian Cup. That is what we have to believe in ourselves and do it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya